medical emergency. Fire department's here too. There's the front of the truck. There's the light bar up there. And there's the Federal Signal Model Q over there. That's their mechanical sign of the fire truck. And there's the EMS. Where they raise the wheel. That's a crashing patient up there. Yeah, so that's Parker County Fire Engine number 2. You're gonna go around there and make a loop. There they go. I gotta go down there and make a loop. There they are. Driving past the patient's house again. I'm gonna turn this way to go to the hospital. There they go. They're on their way to the hospital.